Hey guys, in this video, we will explain you how you can use Shopify store, so let's jump into it. First things first, what is Shopify? Shopify is an all-in-one e-commerce platform that lets you build your online store, manage products, accept payments, and handle orders all in one place. It's perfect for beginners and growing businesses alike. To get started, go to shopify.com on your browser or download the Shopify mobile app from the App Store or Google Play. Once installed, open the app and tap Start Free Trial. You'll enter your email, create a password, and choose your store name. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Shopify dashboard. This is your control center. From here, you can manage everything like adding products, customizing your store design, and tracking orders. Let's break down a few key features. Products. Click on the Products tab to add items. You can upload photos, set pricing, write descriptions, and track inventory. Online store. Under Online Store, you'll find themes. Choose a template that fits your brand and set pricing, write descriptions, and track inventory. Online store. Under Online Store, you'll find themes. Choose a template that fits your brand and customize it easily using drag and drop sections. Orders. Here, you can view customer orders, fulfill them, and manage returns. Customers. This tab stores customer info, order history, and communication. Analytics. Shopify provides in-depth reports on your sales, traffic, and customer behavior. Apps. You can explore thousands of apps in the Shopify App Store to extend your store's functionality from marketing tools to shipping and loyalty programs. Settings. In the Settings menu, you can connect a payment gateway, set shipping zones, taxes, and manage your staff permissions. Everything is cloud-based, so you can run your business from your phone or computer anytime, anywhere. Whether you're selling physical products, digital downloads, or even dropshipping, Shopify has the tools you need. And that's your quick start to using Shopify. If you're just getting started, take your time exploring each tab, and you'll have your store up and running in no time.